This is what I raised my kids on this song,
Yeah.
right? This is what I would sing them every night.
Yeah. It was really good. It's a good story.
Am I too loud?
A little bit, yeah. You're always too loud.
Is that too loud? Holy crap, Ola.
Now we gotta do another intro.
No, we don't. I'll get it. Hold it.
Early one morning.
I know. Early one morning while I'm making around, took a shot of cocaine and shot my woman down. Went back home and I went to bed, stuck a loving 44 beneath my head. Yeah, got him next morning, grabbed the gun, took a shot of cocaine. We outrun, made a good run, but I run too slow. Overtook me down Juarez, Mexico. In the hot joints, taking a pill. Ain't like the sheriff from Jericho Hill. Said, Willie Lee, your name is not Jack Brown. You're the dirty hack that shut your woman down. I said, yes, oh yes, my name is Willie Lee. You got a warrant, just read it to me. I shut her down 'cause she made me slow. Oh, I thought I was her daddy, but she had 5 more. Are you gonna sing?
Nope.
Huh?
Nope.
Okay, here we go. Early next morning, about 9:30, I spied a sheriff coming down the line. Hawking a cop as he cleared his throat. Oh, come on, you dirty hack, and do that district code. Into the courtroom, my trial began, where I was judged by 12 honest men. And just before the jury started out, oh, I saw the little judge come in to look about. In about 5 minutes, in walked a man, holding the verdict in his right hand. The verdict read in the first degree. Oh, Lord, Lord, have mercy on me. Yeah, come on, you pig, let's get a listen to me. Lay off that whiskey, let that cocaine bleed. Did I forget a verse?
Yep. It's actually quite hilarious.
Oh,
Interesting.
the best one?
Because both the Johnny Cash songs, you cut out the verse that you don't like.
Well, that's okay.
Because in Folsom Prison Blues, you don't like when he says he shot a man just to watch him die.
No, I think that makes him too evil.
And in Cocaine Blues, you don't like when he rhymes pen with pen.
Oh, no.
Judge, he smiled as he picked up his pen. 99
Oh,
years
the
in
verdict
Folsom
is...
pen.
what is it again?
The judge, he smiled as he picked up his pen.
99 years in the Folsom Pen. That's not allowed. That's not allowed in Ireland with the Irish poets. You can't do that. It's the same word. You could say the judge, he smiled as he picked up his hen. Or his hem. He might be gay.
Or the judge, he
Because
smiled.
it's M and N. That's okay. We can live with that now in country. They do that all the time.
The judge, he smiled right there and then.
Yeah. Yeah, the judge, he smiled right there and then.
And said right there and then.
And the judge, he smiled and said right then, 99 years in the Folsom Pen.
Yeah.
Way better, Mom.
We just fixed the
See?
song.
On the spot. On the spot. Holy Capoli. Here we go now. All right. Now we're going down to New York City.
Yeah.
Yeah, they killed Sam down in Los Angeles.
And he wasn't bringing in a couple of keys.
He wasn't bringing in a couple of keys. Hey, Mom, can I hear anything in my...
You might have knocked yourself out again.